everyone. I am Salma Pukramno. I am the front office trainer at Classic Hospitality Training Institute. Today I am going to talk about the topic intellectual property right. The meaning of intellectual, which is related to thinking, idea, creation, innovation, creativity, etc. Property, which belongs to you, and the right, which is an entitlement given to you. So what actually is the intellectual property right? Intellectual property right is a right given to a person for their creation of mind. This right is given to a creator or a owner for the use of his or her creativity at a certain period of time. So when I talk about hotel industry, what are the things which will come under IPR, I mean intellectual property right? Every hotel, as you can see, every hotel is unique to each other. You wouldn't find any hotel which are similar in terms of the service, what they provide, the product, the architecture, the design, the logo. This all comes under the IPR. So everything has been patented in the hotel. Even the recipe, the food, the menu which you serve at the restaurant has been patented. If the company owner finds out anybody has copied their product or service, they have the right to file a case against them. So when I talk about intellectual property right, it is important to know about their protection. Why do we need to protect the IPR? It helps the company to stay ahead of the competition. And secondly, since it provides the unique service and the product which help in building and expanding the customer on base. And thirdly, it helps in supporting and tackling the legal issue. If the IPR is not protected, that will result in stealing of guest data, and secondly, copyright of the service and product, and thirdly, legal issue due to the customer complaint. So being the hospitality industry, it is very important for you to know to protect the IPR, which is intellectual property right of an organization where you are working. Secondly, ensure that no one misuses the confidential data, and thirdly, ensure that you protect the confidential information of the guest. Thank you.